There are some simple habits, old and timeless, that most people ignore today. And yes, अगर आप ये habits follow करते हो, it will bring massive positive changes in your life. Remember, they don't need big effort, just small tweaks in your daily routine. आज मैं आपके साथ 6 powerful yet practical habits share करने वाला हूँ. These habits that our elders lived by, and they still hold the secret of a healthy, balanced, and a successful life today. My dear friends, Sil Babu welcomes you. चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. नंबर 1, मल्टीटास्किंग. आज की दुनिया में हमें मल्टीटास्किंग बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. हमें यह लगता है कि अगर हम मल्टीटास्किंग कर रहे हैं, वी आर फार मोर अहेड देन अदर्स. व्हाई वी डू मल्टीटास्किंग? हमें यह लगता है कि इफ वी डू मल्टीटास्किंग, इट विल हेल्प अस टू गेट 2 or more things done in less time. तो मल्टीटास्किंग का कुछ एग्जांपल्स मैं आपको देता हूँ. जैसे कि खाने के टाइम आप खा रहे हो, you are also using the social media, texting someone and watching movies, riding bike and talking over the phone. But according to Ayurveda, our mind focuses in only one thing at a time. When we do multitasking, our attention span gets reduced and we tend to focus and concentrate very less. और यही कारण है we find it so much challenging to wait or sit for even few minutes. One best example is that आज का जो बच्चे हैं, they can never stay away from mobile phone. They feel bored without the mobile phone. कुछ भी कर रहे हो, खाने के टाइम, सोने के टाइम, they will need the mobile phone. Number 2, eating when your mind is not ready. According to Ayurveda, your state of mind directly affects your digestion. अगर आप upset हो, अगर आप stressed up हो, खाना मत खाइए. तो कब खाना चाहिए? When your body wants it. आपको जब भूख लगे, जब आपको भूख लगता है, at that time the mind and the gut gets connected. So you should not eat when your mind is angry, when your mind is extremely sad or frustrated or disturbed. The best way to eat is when your body is ready and you are hungry. Sit down comfortably, take some deep breath and eat silently. Number 3, follow the sunset rule. जब भी मैं बाहर जाता हूँ, especially रात के टाइम में, the hotels, the restaurants, they are always full. Zomato, Swiggy, this guys remains busy during the late evening hours. Now, what is happening here is we forgot the sunset rule. Ayurveda says eating the last meal of the day at least 2 to 3 hours before bed, that is around 7 p.m. उसके बाद आपको कुछ नहीं खाना चाहिए. And this gives the body ample time to digest food before the metabolic process slows down during sleep. Next, fixing your morning. Most of us, हम सब क्या करते हैं? 5 बजे का अलार्म लगाते हैं और जब अलार्म क्लॉक बजते हैं, we snooze it और उठते 7:30 8 बज जाते हैं. Then we start running. Quickly we do brush, quickly breakfast and run to work. But Ayurveda says something different. Ayurveda says that the way we spend our morning sets the tone for the day. If your day begins in a rush, like waking up late, hurrying to get ready, skipping breakfast, you will find yourself running behind all day, or you will feel stressed, you will feel tense. But if you wake up a little early with some calm time in hand, you control the day instead of the day controlling you. अगर आप जल्दी उठते हो, you can use the time to do some yoga, read a few pages of a good book, a simple spend moment with your family. It might sound simple or even silly, but the real power lies in practicing it every day. The nature of our content consumption. According to Ayurveda, we don't eat through our mouth. We take in the world through all our 5 senses. Everything we see, hear, touch, taste and smell becomes a part of us, and it shapes our body, mind and our soul. If you think about it, we are a reflection of our surroundings. When we spend time with positive, kind people and keep our space clean, peaceful and full of good energy, हमारा जो personality है वो हमेशा positive रहता है and we remain calm, we remain peaceful. But when you are surrounded with negative people, stressful environment, or you watch toxic content, हमारा जो thoughts है वो automatic change हो जाता है. We feel happy, we feel restless. It's like eating junk food, and your mind is the one which gets affected the most. So instead of watching pessimistic or harmful content, choose to fill your senses with uplifting things like good books, calming music, inspiring talks, or nature walk. Because अब जब free रहते हो, अब जब positive रहते हो, that shows up in your face and your body stays happy. You stay healthy. Finally, opting sports as exercise. I know it very well. बहुत लोग ऐसे हैं कि they don't like to go to gym. Exercise करने में कुछ मजा नहीं आता है. They feel these all things are boring, and in this process, they never go out to exercise. So, playing a sport not only keep you fit and active, it also teaches you discipline, teamwork, and consistency. Just look at a dancer. They stay fit, energetic, and happy because their movement brings them joy every single day. We all have at least one game we love, but these days what we choose to stay at home, open our mobile, laptop, spend time with them instead of going out. In this process, our body suffers a lot, and you should notice that your body gets stronger and your mind becomes fresher naturally when you play games. So these are the 6 hacks I wanted to share with you. Which one do you find more reliable or more comfortable with you? Do let me know. I will see you again. Thank you.